Good. Now just go down the long side, do a 10-meter circle in the corner, and then pick up a canter as you pass A. I think just a little more in your outside rein to help keep the circle the correct size. Keep just a little tiny inside flexion from your inside rein, inside leg. Good. And then 15-meter circle at B. That's it. And then we're going to change across your diagonal and back to a trot. So get your balance on your canter a little better because you're a little bit behind your leg there. So you want to push him up a little bit. Get the balance and then trot. Good. Okay, across your next diagonal, ask for a lengthening. Just a little more. Good. So we're going to do one more diagonal, and I want you to think about just keeping him right up under your seat. This is nice here, and then just think, turn up the volume on the trot a little bit. Come on, give him a little tap. So come on, a little more effort here. There you go. Okay, straight up the long side, and then from this end, we're going to come down the center line and leg yield from your inside leg. Was I in your way? Okay, we'll come up the center line again. Outside rein, give him a little touch. And leg back and over. That's it. There you go. And then change rein across your diagonal. Give him a little tap right here. So come on, get your... And then lengthen stride. There you go. And then come up the center line and leg yield from your left leg. Okay, so those turns, you gotta be there so that you can get that center line turn. Okay, so we're gonna do that again. Just go straight down the next long side and come up the center line. So think about it now. It's a 10-meter half circle. Keep that little touch on your outside rein, and then you already have him on the outside rein for the straighten him into the leg yield. It's okay. We'll just do it again. No biggie. A little more forward here. There you go. Now just think about your turn start thinking about it now so that you can make a nice turn up the center line. There you go. And then over. Just look where you want to go. Straighten him a little bit. Got a little too much on the inside rein. Okay, let's just give him a little walk break. Alright, good transition.